Good morning. My name is Claire.
My name is Ellie.
Today we will be making lemon berry bars. Ellie already preheated the oven to 350, and now I will be greasing the pan. Now we're creaming half a cup of butter. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now I will be adding 1 cup of flour. And then we will add and sift this sugar. Now I will be adding a 1/4 cup of icing sugar sifted. And then I will add the ice water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ice water. And go. Now, now we're putting it in the oven for 15 minutes.
Then we're going to spread less raspberry jam on it.
Take a look at this beautiful raspberry filling. Delicious. Now we're adding 6 eggs. Now that we're beating the eggs, we're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. And we're gonna turn it up. Looks so tasty. Let's just turn it on. Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour and mix it very low speed. We need 3/4 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
Okay, now I'm squeezing lemon juice.
I'm gonna add 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. Now we're going to beat it, and then we're going to add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm adding the lemon juice.
And now I'm adding the
Icing sugar. And we're going to mix at low speed. Now we pour in the egg mixture, as you can see, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. And now we can lick the bowl. The lemon is incredible. Now that they're out of the oven, cold and sprinkled, we are going to give them a taste. Perfect. Delicious. Amazing. Perfect amount of sugar.
Thanks for watching.